Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome to the $4,000 gaming setup.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that intro sequence, and at the heart of this $4,000 gaming setup is the $3,000 water-cooled build that I recently uploaded on the channel. So talking about the PC itself, it's an 11900K paired with the RTX 3080 from MSI. I know the 12th generation is out, but this build was planned way before 12th generation even came out. So let's set aside all the 12th generation comments and actually talk about this setup. So that's the PC behind me, and in today's video our goal is to couple this PC with peripherals like a good gaming monitor, a gaming keyboard, a gaming mouse, and also a really good gaming headset. And a bonus is going to be the gaming chair, which I'll show you guys towards the end of the video, and all of that will come to around $4,000. So I hope you guys enjoyed this setup. But with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so I already told you guys about the PC, and if you want to know more about the PC in detail, I've uploaded a 16-minute video on the channel talking about just that. But just to sum it up, as I said, a 11900K, RTX 3080, 32 gigabytes of Corsair's Dominator Platinum RAM. It's also cooled by Corsair's Hydro X cooling system, and everything is coupled into the Thermaltake Core P6 case. But now let's talk about the monitor, because I think the gaming monitor is really important. For a good gaming setup, you need to have a good screen, and that comes from MSI. This is their MSI Mag Optics 27RFQD. Now this is a quantum dot technology monitor. It's a 27-inch and it's got a 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond grade-to-grade response time. It's G-Sync compatible, and I think this monitor has a lot of cool features. First things first, it's going to be the quantum dot technology that it has, and it has a rapid IPS panel. So the screen is fast, but it's also really good looking. And you guys know IPS and high refresh rate, how good that looks. So just enjoying your games, your movies, your content, and just this monitor seems to be really good for all sorts of scenarios. It can be a video editing, a productivity monitor, but also it can be the best gaming monitor you can get for this kind of money. And the monitor comes with a really nice stand, which allows you to adjust the monitor in all sorts of ways. So that's really nice. You've got height adjustment, tilt, and you can also swivel the monitor. And it's got USB Type-C as an input. You've got two HDMIs. You've also got DisplayPort. So basically you're covered, and it also is a matte panel, so there's not a lot of glare when you're gaming and doing stuff on this monitor. But moving away from the monitor, let's talk about the keyboard and mouse. For the keyboard, I've gone with MSI's Vigor GK50 low profile mechanical keyboard. It's got KLH switches, and it's also got a metal top plate. The keyboard looks really nice, it's built really well, and you've also got hotkeys for on the go RGB control, which is really nice. Talking about RGB, it's got per key RGB lighting, and yeah, it's a really nice keyboard in my opinion. It's also got that low profile octagonal keycaps, and you've also got the floating keycap design. So it's really nice for speed typing and FPS gaming, competitive FPS gaming, as you can really click the keys really fast. There's good travel, good tactile feedback, but also they're low profile, so you can go really fast on them. So that's really nice. And talking about the mouse, I've gone with MSI's Clutch GM40 mouse. Now this is an ambidextrous mouse actually, so you can use it even if you're a right-handed or a left-handed person, and you've got two profiles for that, so you can switch between the left and right-handed profile. You've got side buttons on both the sides. It's got Omron switches. It's also got the MSI logo that lights up, and 50 million clicks. What else would you want? And I really like it. It's pretty comfortable. The scroll wheel is good. The clicks feel good, and the mouse has a really comfortable shape, especially for FPS gaming and stuff like that. I enjoyed playing Valorant on that, which is really nice. And the final piece of the setup, or any other gaming setup, would be a really nice high quality gaming headset, and this is the MSI Immerse GH61. This in my opinion is a really nice headset. You have got a boom mic, it's adjustable, and it's really comfortable in my opinion. The cushions and the padding on the headband is really nice. and it feels like a really solid headset to me, you know. Also got speakers by Onkyo in this one. Onkyo is a really popular audio brand if you guys don't know about that. And this headphone also comes with a DAC and amp from Sabre. Sabre, again, a really high quality audio brand, wherein if you connect the audio DAC, you will be able to experience 7.1 surround sound, and that also gives you volume control and a button to mute your microphone and unmute your microphone. And the DAC is going to be USB, so it gets plenty of power to drive these headphones. But otherwise, these headphones are compatible everywhere else as well. So you can use it on your laptops, your phones, and your consoles and stuff like that. I really like the sound quality. It's got enough bass and, you know, plenty of treble, just the right amount of sound for gaming. And no gaming setup is complete without a gaming chair. So for this one, I'm using the MSI Max CH120, which again is a really nice chair in my opinion. I've, you know, uploaded a dedicated experience review video of this chair, so you can check that out. And it's really comfortable. It's got a 4D adjustable armrest, you know, headrest and lumbar support. It can tilt, and it's got really smooth PU casters, so when you're moving around, it doesn't make that cheap noise. The chair is built really well, it's comfortable, and aesthetically it looks really good as well. And that wraps up our ultimate $4,000 gaming setup. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll leave links down below to everything I've mentioned in this video, so you guys can check it out. And if you want to get a setup like this for yourself for the holidays maybe, you know, it could be really exciting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, then go ahead and smash the like button as well as subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think about the setup and what would be your dream setup. You know, it could be anything. Let me know all the parts and all the gear that you'd include into it. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.